There's an upcoming session just for you. Bernadette Lunsford, she's a district conservationist from the Natural Resources Conservation Service at the United States Department of Ag, here to tell us on Unlock Your Farm's Potential. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Tell us a little bit about, I want to talk about the workshop, but you brought here some props. And what are we going to see with soil? And what's the difference? What's happening?
We're going to look at the difference between a healthy soil and a soil that's been overworked and disturbed and isn't so healthy, and how it interacts with water. And this illustrates when it rains or when there's water flowing over a piece of land, what that soil does. Does it break down? Does it go into the streams, or does it stay in place and resist that water?
Okay, show us what we have. And again, this is soil from whereabouts?
From the island
From
of
here.
Oahu.
Okay,
This
okay.
is from here. So this is our healthy soil.
Okay. And
And-
what should we be looking for?
We're looking at there's water pressure pushing on the soil, and it's giving a little bit, but for the main part, it's holding together. This is because of the soil biology. There's glues that are produced by living organisms that help that soil hold together, and that's because they burrow through the soil. It's their home. It's very important to them. Now, this soil here has been worked and tilled. And so when the sunlight gets in, the oxygen gets in, it kills all of the microbiology. So there's no life in this soil.
See what happens. Whoa, okay, big difference.
Big difference. So if you have the rain coming down, water coming over your garden or your field, this is what's happening and getting into our waterways.
Wow, okay, that's telling. I mean, that happened very quickly, too. So this workshop that you have an opportunity to get to, what's about? What can you learn in the workshop?
So at the workshop, we're going to show farmers some no-till practices that they can start using. We're also going to talk about cover crops, which help cover the soil and increase the soil health. And there'll be more demonstrations on how to test your soil to see if it's healthy or not.
Wow, look at how quickly this has happened. And now I want to put some information on the screen because I know folks are very interested in this. This is why we have brownwater advisories.
This is why.
Wow.
And anyone can do this, from homeowners to farmers to large land stewards. Anyone can go out. This is just tap water. We just got it here. They can take a soil clod from their yard, put it in, and see where they fall on this spectrum. And then if you find that your soil behaves more like this unhealthy soil, you can do an internet search for NRCS soil health, and you can find some ways that you can increase the health of your soil.
Okay, very interesting. Thank you, Bernadette. So, again, I want to put that information on the screen because there's an opportunity. The workshop is happening Saturday. That's tomorrow, February 7th, at the Pomoho Research Station. That's out there in Kakunahua Road in Waialua from 9:30 to 12. It's a partnership between several agencies, University College of Tropical Ag, Human Resources team up with the U.S. Department of Ag, Natural Resource Conservation Service. Your group.
Yes, we're very excited because 2015 is the International Year of Soils, and because of the Farm Bill that was signed into law last year by President Obama, we're able to work with College of Tropical Agriculture, and they just received a grant recently from us for development of a cover crop calculator that will help farmers to predict the nutrients cover crops can help them put back in their soil and make it healthy.
Healthy and keep our ocean healthy.
Yes.
Bernadette, thank you very much.
Thank you so
very
much.
interesting stuff. All right, speaking of the ocean, let's turn to Jen X. She's giving us a look at what's happening with your Aloha Friday surf. Good morning, Jen.
Happy Aloha Friday.